Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Dsla protocol. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, we haven't done a video on Dsla in quite a while, actually, and as you can see, it's in a utter and complete downtrend over here. Disgusting downtrend, but this is a great buying opportunity for any of those of you who like the project and who believe in the project. It's a great buying opportunity because if you have been buying Dsla over here and you're not buying it over here, then you're doing something wrong, right? So the cheaper it gets, the more you should buy, obviously only with money that you can afford to lose. We have our Fibonacci retracement from the swing high here in April to the swing low that we had in May with that large wick over here. And we still haven't lost that low over here. We haven't gone below that wick. So hopefully this is where we bottom out for Dsla protocol. Obviously, if Bitcoin starts crashing down, you are going to see, more moves to the downside potentially. But if we start breaking this one level on the Fibonacci retracement, this first level, we are looking at 4 cents on the 1.618. So what you have to be doing is you need to start retracing all the way to the all-time high, back test it as support, then you will be healthy, and then you'll be looking for that target over there. By the end, potentially, if this bull market, maybe will get overextended, but the target that we're having right now, that is a 1,200% trade, which is not bad in my opinion, not bad at all. So the first major target on the Fibonacci retracement that we have right now is the 0.236, and that is right over here at 0.00799, basically 8 cents. 0.008 cents. So that's our resistance level, and that's another potential take profit zone for those of you who are looking to take profits. That's 153% trade, and we do have this blue buy zone that I just have drawn out for you. So this blue rectangle, this light blue rectangle, is a nice buy zone which has the low of this dump in May and the retest over here in July that we had. So this is your buy zone anywhere from 0.00317 to 0.00242. So that's what you're looking at. And as you can see, we do have this large resistance white trend line. So if you see yourself get above it, right, you need to have a back test of support, and from there you can start moving healthy. But there is a potential you get rejected back down from it multiple times until you start reversing to the upside. There are quite a lot of events coming for Dsla protocol very, very soon. So we're going to take a look at that on CoinMarketCal just in a second. Also, I would recommend you, if you're looking to take profits, obviously you can look at the daily 55 EMA. Right now, that would be a trade of 38%. Not a bad trade at all, but yeah, just look at the 55 and the 20 EMA. Obviously, we're getting rejected from the 20 EMA, but that's not a that's not a lucrative trade. I mean, 10%, 9.5%. That's not a bad trade as well if you're looking to take that trade by all means. But, I'm not swing trading Dsla protocol. This is a project that you just want to buy and hold off for the long term, at least in my opinion. Now let's jump into the daily RSI and see what is going on over here. So we definitely have a strong resistance level over here on the daily RSI. Let me get a trend line for that. Right, you can see that you are potentially going to start running into this white trend line. We're going to set another trend line in a second because there are multiple resistance trend lines over here. So as you can see, we've hit this upper white trend line multiple times as well. There we go. So you have these two trend lines over here playing out. So this is going to be our major resistance level. We can hit our head on these resistance levels and get sent back down to the oversold, which is below the index of 30. And that's where you need to be buying, right? If you are oversold here on literally any asset, this is a great entry point because you can see the recovery is usually very quick, right, to the upside. So have that in mind as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the daily chart. Now let's jump into KuCoin. Now we're going to take a look at the stochastic RSI on the daily chart. So you can see that we're heading towards the overbought on the daily stochastic, and this means that we are potentially going to hit our head on a resistance level right now, which seems to be the 20 EMA right now. for DSLA protocol, because each time you run into it, you do have a wick to the upside, but you end up getting rejected from the 20 EMA. As you can see, each time you hit your head on the 20 EMA and you get sent back down. So this is potentially what we're looking at right now. A rejection from the 20 EMA and another leg down and a lower low. So yeah, I would wait to get oversold on the daily chart over here below the index of 20 on the stock RSI, right? The stock RSI is spelled with CH at the end. So yeah, that's regarding the stock RSI. However, the MACD has just printed a bullish cross, which is giving us a indicator that we are going to have a move to the upside, because each time we have a bullish cross here, you can see that the momentum is shifting to the upside and we're having some nice moves to the upside. But each of those moves has ended with us getting rejected from the 20 EMA. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the daily chart. Let's go ahead and join the CoinMarketCap website. So here on CoinMarketCap, we do have multiple events coming up for DSLA protocol. So February 13th over here is the DSLA Metaverse NFTs. 31st of March is the DSLA Metaverse launch. So they're getting into the Metaverse. AVAX subnet launchpad coming April 28th. It'll be exciting to take a look at the launchpad. It's interesting. I am taking notice of all the launchpads recently, and I'm involved in 4 launchpads myself. So hopefully this will be something to invest in, and hopefully this will be an incredible launchpad. Then we have DSLA triggers. Now I don't know what this is. New DSLA decentralized service level of agreements, capabilities beyond value transfer. All right, I'm gonna need to do some research into all of these events, obviously. 30th of June, we have DSLA token solo staking, and we do have DSLA protocol version 2 update. So yeah, this is a great website, by the way. If you don't know about this, CoinMarketCap, this shows you all the events, all the upcoming events for all the cryptocurrencies out there. So DSLA Protocol V2, DSLA Protocol V2 is being built on the successful foundations of DSLA Protocol V1 to achieve mass adoption. So for any of you who don't know what DSLA Protocol is, it's basically a security protocol for apps to use to secure their applications, basically. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Make sure to check me out on Twitter if I missed out anything regarding DSLA protocol on the charts or regarding the events. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Follow me on Twitter. I do post technical analysis in there. We have a Telegram chat with a great community. If you have any sort of questions, you can join the Telegram chat, ask anything you want. People will help you immediately. I will help you as well if I'm in time. We also have a Discord server where you can stay up to date with the latest crypto news, get a lot of useful resources, get a lot of useful TA requests in there as well. And we do have a Patreon, which is a great way to support me and a great way for me to give back to those who support me. So all the links are in the description. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.